All right, everybody, welcome back to The Deep Dive. Today we're diving into something pretty wild. It's called Virtuals Protocol.
Right.
And at the heart of it is this idea of AI agents, but not just AI agents that, you interact with or you use AI agents that you can actually own as digital assets.
Oh, wow.
Kind of like owning a share of a company, but instead of a company, it's like a little piece of AI that's out there working for you.
I see.
And the really interesting part is that you're not the sole owner. You're actually part of a community
Interesting.
of co-owners, all kind of chipping in, sharing the cost, sharing the potential profits.
So kind of like a cooperative AI.
Yeah, exactly, like a cooperative AI ownership model. And this is all powered by something called the virtual token.
Okay. So it's on a blockchain.
Exactly. Yeah, it's all built on blockchain technology, which is how they can make this whole fractional ownership thing actually work.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So how does this protocol make AI ownership accessible?
Well, I think the best way to think about it is imagine you need some work done right. Maybe you need a logo designed or you need some complex data analysis.
Sure.
Traditionally, you might hire a freelancer or a company.
Yeah.
But with Virtuals Protocol, you could actually own a piece of an AI agent that specializes in that exact task.
Really? So
Yeah.
these agents, they're like digital workers with specific skills.
Exactly. And those skills are packaged into tokens that you can buy and sell just like you would with a stock or a cryptocurrency.
Okay. So it's not like I'm owning the whole AI. It's more like I'm owning a specific skill or capability.
Right. You're owning a share of that AI's capability, and you can combine your share with other people's shares
Okay.
to create even more powerful tools and applications.
So like if I need a website build, I could buy into a web design agent, a coding agent, and maybe a content creation agent and combine them.
Exactly.
You got it.
Wow, that's fascinating.
Yeah. And that's where the virtual token comes in, right? So this token, it's the fuel for the entire Virtuals Protocol ecosystem.
You use it for everything from staking to earn rewards for helping secure the network to participating in the governance of the protocol, like voting on proposals and things like that.
Okay, so it's a utility token that kind of derives the whole system.
Exactly. And it's also how you connect with those AI agent tokens that we were talking about.
Right. So how does that work? How do I actually connect my virtual tokens to specific agents?
Well, it all happens through these things called locked liquidity pools.
Locked liquidity pools?
Yeah, it sounds complicated, but it's actually a pretty simple concept.
Okay.
Imagine them like digital vaults,
Okay.
where you deposit your virtual tokens.
Uh-huh.
And those tokens are then directly linked to a specific AI agent or a group of agents that work together.
Oh, I see.
So when those agents go out and perform tasks and generate revenue,
Yeah.
the rewards flow back into that pool and get distributed amongst all the participants
That's really cool.
based on their stake.
It's like I'm investing in a little AI business.
It's like micro-investing in an AI-powered business. And going back to that website example,
Yeah.
you could buy into a pool that's connected to those web design, coding, and content creation AI agents. And then as they build websites for other people, you earn a share of the profits.
I like that. So I'm not limited to just one AI agent. I could diversify my portfolio across multiple pools.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You could have a little bit in a graphic design pool, a little bit in a marketing pool, maybe even a little bit in a self-driving car pool.
Wow, a self-driving car pool.
Whatever AI skills you think are going to be valuable in the future.
That is really interesting. It's like having a team of AI specialists working for you, except you don't have to hire them. You just own a little piece of them.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And all of this is happening on the blockchain, so it's all transparent.
Right.
You can see exactly what the AI agents are doing, how much revenue they're generating, how the rewards are being distributed.
That's pretty important for trust and transparency, I would imagine.
Absolutely. It's key to the whole system.
Yeah.
Now, I know you're probably thinking,
Yeah.
this all sounds very futuristic and kind of out there.
A little bit, yeah, but very exciting.
But the thing is, Virtuals Protocol is already making waves. It's got an active community
Really?
of developers building new applications, users exploring the capabilities of these AI agents, and investors who are recognizing the potential of this technology.
So it's not just a theoretical idea, it's actually happening.
It's happening right now. And one of the things that's really got people buzzing is the potential of Virtuals Protocol in the metaverse.
The metaverse, okay.
Yeah, those immersive digital worlds that everyone's talking
Yeah,
about.
kind of like virtual reality on steroids.
Exactly.
Okay.
And right now, most of our interactions in the metaverse are pretty basic, right? We're using static avatars or simple bots.
Right.
But with Virtuals Protocol, you could have an AI agent representing you in the metaverse.
Whoa, what would that look like?
So imagine you're at a virtual conference,
Yeah.
right? Instead of just sitting there listening to a presentation, your AI agent could be actively networking, making connections, even negotiating deals on your behalf.
So it's like having a digital extension of yourself navigating the metaverse.
Exactly. And it goes beyond just conferences,
Yeah.
right? Your AI agent could be running a virtual business,
Oh, wow.
managing your virtual real estate, attending virtual classes, all while you're doing other things in the real world.
It's like having a digital twin living a second life in the metaverse.
Yeah, it's a pretty wild concept, and the potential applications are just mind-blowing, right? We could see personalized AI tutors, AI-powered therapists, AI assistants that can help us manage our increasingly complex digital lives.
That's pretty incredible.
Yeah, and it's all powered by this idea of co-ownership and shared benefits.
So it's not just about making money. It's about creating a more equitable and accessible future for AI.
Exactly. It's about democratizing access to these powerful tools
Right.
so that everyone can benefit from the advancements in artificial intelligence.
That's a really powerful vision.
It is, and it's not without its challenges, of course.
Yeah, I imagine there are some hurdles to overcome.
There are concerns about, ensuring fairness, preventing monopolies, making sure that this technology is used for good and not for harm.
Right. Those are important considerations.
They are. But, even with those challenges,
Yeah,
I think the potential of Virtual's protocol is just too significant to ignore.
I agree. It's definitely something worth paying attention to.
So if you're interested in the future of AI, if you're curious about the metaverse,
Yeah.
or if you're just looking for an investment opportunity that's a little bit outside the box, I highly recommend checking out Virtual's protocol and the virtual token.
I think I will.
It's a glimpse into a future where AI is not something to be feared,
Yeah.
but something we can own, control, and benefit from together.
And maybe even something that can help us navigate the metaverse.
Exactly. That's the real question that Virtual's protocol is posing, right?
Mhm.
What if instead of fearing the rise of the machines, we could actually work alongside them,
Right.
sharing in their capabilities and shaping our future together? That's a future I'm excited to explore.
Me too.
So, until next time, keep diving deeper. And we'll see you back here on The Deep Dive.